Today we are in beautiful place in Uluwatu, Bali. When we are here, we thought it's a great opportunity to talk about the top 3 destinations in Bali for investments because, well, Bali is excellent place for investment like for holidays and it's a lot of opportunity. So many of you may be interested where is the place in Bali to invest money in case if you would like to build a house, villa or hotel or maybe restaurant or something like that.
As Damian mentioned before, there are 3 top places in Bali that are, nowadays just like a booming. Like many people coming to Bali to invest the property, which is like hotels, villas. Now I will mention the first one. That is, I think this is the top of the top. Am I right? So this is the first one, which is Uluwatu area. So it seems like nowadays in Uluwatu, many brand new hotels, villas, boutique hotels that are under development and also already built. You know, like many people that we can see here, also many beach clubs that are still under progress, especially in Melasti. If you watch Damian's previous videos, like so many beach club in Melasti and many beach club also in Uluwatu, and also many hotels, brand new villas is under development. So it means like Uluwatu is the best of the best place nowadays to invest for the property.
And also Uluwatu is the place where you can find one of the most expensive and the most luxury hotels in Bali Island, like Bulgari Uluwatu or Banyan Tree Uluwatu or Alila Uluwatu. Also so many very prestigious beach clubs and also many private, very expensive premium villas. Also the most beautiful views on the top of the cliffs with the beautiful turquoise of the water and the sunset like behind us is in Uluwatu, guys. So remember, Uluwatu #1 in Bali for investment. Also, we forgot to mention as Uluwatu is the favorite part of Bali for any kind of celebrities from all around the world who deciding to invest in Bali, right?
Many famous celebrities also used to stay in Uluwatu area. Let's say David Beckham and his family used to stay in
Alila Uluwatu, actually.
And then I think that Justin Bieber used to stay in Bulgari Resort, something like that, if I'm not mistaken.
So that means something. When the people like this coming to Uluwatu, definitely you cannot miss this place if you are thinking about the investment, right?
Okay guys, so the second place is Canggu. As what we already observed before, like before pandemic and during pandemic, the development of property in Canggu is increasing time by time. Just like the building of the hotels, villas, beach clubs, like maybe like last time when Damian were in the Atlas Beach Fest, where he met Hotman Paris. So it's just like, Canggu becomes so popular because most of digital nomads, influencer, whoever it is, like they tend to choose Canggu as their home base. So this is what makes Canggu is so popular, and also many nice restaurants and also the place for surfing. I think that what mostly people looking for, and because of the high demands, it makes Canggu is the #2 for the place property investment in Bali. So what actually becoming trend in Canggu is just like building properties such as hostel, villas that is affordable for the digital nomad. So if you watch our videos previously that how traffic in Canggu is so crazy, it's just because of the many people coming and keep coming to Canggu and live there as their home base.
As Winnie said, that everything is true. Also, as the bonus, many young people deciding to come to Canggu because everything is available over there and stuff like this. As the bonus, there are the waves suitable for any kind of surfers. And Bali always was and still is and probably gonna be popular hotspots for the surfers from all around the world, guys.
The last one, #3, is Ubud. So Ubud is always busy. I mean, like if you are tired of the hustle and bustle life in Canggu, Seminyak, Kutas, or any other places which is close by the ocean, you can go to Ubud. Observing the trend before pandemic, and I think that during pandemic and until now, so what we can see that the development of property in Ubud still keep going, and then everywhere you can see that the building of the new villas, hotels, and any other properties.
Also one of the best hotels in the world. I think it's ranked by number 7 right now, and one of the top 3 in Southeast Asia is Capella Ubud, built in the middle of the jungle, surrounded by the nature. So, you know, if you're looking to invest something more into tropical vibe of jungle, or maybe rice fields, or maybe rice terraces, definitely Ubud is the place for you. Also, Ubud is characteristic for any kind of retreats and in general peaceful vibe.
So those are the 3 top places in Bali for the property investment. So you know why we make a talk something about the property investment in Bali, because you know we've got many emails asking about, you know, people who wants to build their own property in Bali and then asking for the recommendation.
Maybe we don't vlog too often in Uluwatu because it's obviously a little bit far from the place where we are living. Always was my favorite place to watching the sunset here in Uluwatu, guys. Check this out. Everywhere sunset in Bali is beautiful, but in my opinion in Uluwatu is definitely the best. This is like a $1 million view of the sunset, guys. So now you can understand why Uluwatu is #1 destination for the investment in Bali. Everywhere around the world the view is #1. And in Bali is Uluwatu, guys, with these cliffs, water and the sunset, like this one. So that's the top 3 areas in Bali for investment. If you are thinking about making the investment in Bali and thinking to make some profits in the future. However, if you are looking for more into retirement place or more peaceful place or just your holiday home or maybe just a home for yourself, you thinking to move here, the other areas are definitely also worth it. And if you are looking for very budget places, the old area of North Bali I think is the most budget area in Bali now to build a house.
In East Bali or also in the west part of Bali. About the south part of Bali, I think that already
it's pretty more into investment rather than just the, you know, holiday house or something like that. Also the prices of the land and the overall cost of the building is gonna be very expensive.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya,
Bye.
take care.